Hey Tammy. Guess who's having a giveaway this week? Who? It's Purple Papal. She seems to have gone all out with this giveaway. Gorgeous trims, paper collections and embellishments. I'm so excited. Wow. That's awesome. How can I enter to win? Just go to her channel and subscribe. Next, leave a comment on her giveaway video. You can also create a video response for 5 additional entries. But you better hurry, because she can close this giveaway anytime she wants. Awesome. I'm going to do it right away. How do I get to the video? I've posted the link below. Best of luck, girl.